Woodworkers, tool lovers, and DIY dynamos, get ready to upgrade your shop. Today, we're diving into 12 brand new woodworking tools that are turning heads and tightening joints. Whether you're building cabinets, cutting clean lines, or fine-tuning your router game, these tools are here to make your life easier, faster, and way more fun. Number 1. If you've ever struggled to make long, straight cuts with a circular saw, the BORA NGX Twin Rail Rip Cut System offers a practical solution. Designed for half-sheet plywood and similar materials, it uses 2 parallel aluminum rails to guide your saw with improved stability. The setup feels intuitive, especially with a crosscut sled and built-in rip fence. What stands out is the micro-adjustment feature, which lets you fine-tune your cutting width without constant measuring. It's a solid option for repeatable cuts, especially when working on cabinetry or shelving. The aluminum rails strike a good balance between lightweight portability and rigid support. Plus, the tool includes clear measurement markings, so you don't need extra layout tools to stay accurate. It's not about bells and whistles. It's about getting consistent results with less hassle. For woodworkers who value precision and efficiency, this guide system earns its place on the bench. Number 2. When it comes to building strong, aligned joints without complicated setups, the Kreg Dowel Jig Kit offers a straightforward solution. It's designed to help woodworkers create accurate dowel joints using removable drill guides and built-in centering. That means no measuring, no guesswork, just consistent results. The hardened steel guides keep your drill bit on track, while the alignment pin ensures repeatable spacing across multiple boards. Whether you're assembling cabinets, repairing furniture, or working on custom builds, this jig fits easily into both benchtop and mobile setups. It's compatible with trigger clamps, making it quick to secure and reposition. For hobbyists and pros alike, it's a reliable way to add dowel joinery to your workflow without investing in complex machinery. If you're looking to improve joint strength and alignment in your projects, this jig helps you get there with minimal fuss and solid results. Number 3. If you want accurate setups for your router table or table saw, this 14-piece setup bar set is a great tool to have. Each block is made from lightweight aluminum and is precisely machined to common sizes, from 1/16 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch. These blocks help you set bit height, blade depth, or fence distance without needing a ruler or caliper. The measurements are laser engraved on 3 sides, so they're easy to read from any angle and won't wear off over time. You can stack them to create custom heights or use them individually for quick adjustments. They also work well for checking angles and squareness in your setup. The set comes in a compact plastic case that keeps everything organized and easy to carry. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these setup bars make it easier to get repeatable, accurate results in your woodworking projects. Number 4. If you're looking for more control and accuracy in your angled cuts, this steel and brass miter gauge from WEN is built to deliver. It's compatible with most table saws, router tables, band saws, and even benchtop sanders, thanks to its universal fit for 3/4 inch by 3/8 inch miter slots. The gauge features 27 positive stops, so you can quickly lock in common angles without second guessing. The heavy-duty steel body and brass components give it a solid, durable feel, and the laser-etched scale markings stay readable even after repeated use. One standout feature is the miter bar expansion discs, which help eliminate side-to-side play in the slot, making your cuts more stable and precise. Whether you're cross-cutting, mitering, or setting up repeatable angles, this gauge adds reliability to your workflow. It's a solid upgrade for woodworkers who want consistent results without fiddling with loose or inaccurate setups. Number 5. If you like clean joinery and hiding screw holes with matching wood, this 5-piece plug cutter set is a handy addition to your kit. It includes cutters for 5 common sizes, 3/8, half, 5/8, 3/4, and 1 inch, giving you flexibility for different projects. Each cutter has a hex-shaped shank, which helps prevent slipping in the drill chuck and gives you better control. These bits are made from high-quality steel, so they stay sharp and cut cleanly even with frequent use. You can use them to make dowels, plugs, or even small wooden parts like knobs or wheels. This set comes in a wooden box for easy storage and organization. Whether you're filling pocket holes or making custom joinery, these cutters let you create your own plugs from the same wood you're working with, so your repairs and joints blend in seamlessly. It's a simple way to get a more polished, professional finish. Number 6. If you're adding adjustable shelves to cabinets or bookcases, the RUITOL shelf pin jig makes the process faster and more precise. It drills 11 holes in one pass, which saves time and keeps spacing consistent. The jig includes both 1/4-inch and 5mm drill bits, along with matching bushings that are easy to identify. You can adjust the hole-to-edge distance to fit different shelving styles, 37, 50, or 64mm. That flexibility makes it useful for everything from kitchen cabinets to custom closets. A positioning pin helps you align the jig when drilling longer panels, and the stop collar ensures consistent depth across all holes. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's built to last and hold steady during use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, this jig helps eliminate guesswork and keeps your shelf pins aligned. It even comes with a canvas storage bag to keep everything organized between projects. Number 7. If you need a quick and sturdy work surface, these BORA job horse brackets make it easy to build your own sawhorse using standard 2x4 lumber. The brackets are made from thick steel and can support up to 1,000 pounds, making them strong enough for heavy-duty tasks like cutting, sanding, or assembling large panels. What makes them stand out is the angled teeth that grip the wood securely, so your sawhorse stays stable during use. The foot-activated hinge locks let you set up and fold down the legs without using your hands, great for fast changes on the job site. Plus, the steel foot plates help prevent sinking into soft ground, which is useful when working outdoors. Once built, the sawhorse is lightweight and easy to move, so it's perfect for garage setups or mobile projects. It's a practical way to create a reliable workstation without spending a lot or hauling bulky gear. Number 8. When you need perfectly square cuts with a track saw, a reliable guide makes all the difference. The Going Make Large Track Saw Square is CNC machined from aluminum alloy, giving it both accuracy and durability. Its larger size provides a longer reference edge, which helps keep cuts at a true 90 degrees without the need to mark a line first. Setup is simple. Just slide the insert into your track saw rail, lock the clamp, and you're ready to cut. It's compatible with most major brands like Festool, Makita, Milwaukee, Triton, PowerTech, and WEN, though not with Kreg or Milescraft. The square also includes extension rods and edge support, which add stability when working with wider panels or angled edges. A quick clamp system keeps everything secure, even on longer cuts. For anyone who uses a track saw regularly, this accessory saves time, improves accuracy, and makes repeatable square cuts much easier. Number 9. A good router bit set can make all the difference in woodworking, and this 15-piece kit from Bosch covers a wide range of applications. The set includes commonly used profiles for edging, trimming, grooving, and finishing, so it's versatile enough for both furniture projects and general shop work. Each bit is tipped with micrograin carbide, which helps maintain sharpness and provides a smoother finish, even when working with hardwoods or composites. The anti-friction coating reduces heat and prevents material buildup, which means cleaner cuts and longer tool life. Because the set is designed for both soft and hard woods, it's a reliable option whether you're shaping pine, oak, or plywood. Everything comes in a compact plastic case, keeping the bits organized and easy to transport between projects. For woodworkers who want a dependable, all-around set, this collection offers the essential profiles needed for most routing tasks in one place. Number 10. For woodworkers who want straight, accurate cuts without investing in a full track saw system, the Milescraft 1409 Track Saw Guide is a practical option. It works with most circular saws up to 7 1/4 inches, giving you a cutting range of 50 inches right out of the box. If you need more length, you can add optional extensions to rip full sheets of plywood. The guide is built from all-metal components, which helps reduce flex and keeps cuts consistent. Its low-profile design allows for a cutting depth of nearly 2 inches, enough to handle common interior doors and thicker panels. A red cutting strip runs along the edge, serving as both a visual guide and a splinter guard to minimize chipping. Setup is straightforward. Slide your saw onto the guide, lock it in, and you're ready to cut. Just note that it's not designed for most worm drive saws. Number 11. A roller stand can be one of the most versatile helpers in the workshop, and this 4-in-1 version takes that idea further. It combines 4 functions in one unit: a standard roller stand, a V-shaped roller for holding round stock, a multi-directional roller for moving boards smoothly, and even a sawhorse-style support. Built from heavy-duty square steel, it can handle up to 440 pounds, with a triangular leg design and non-slip rubber feet that keep it steady on the floor. The height adjusts from 33 to 50 inches in 10 steps, so you can match it to your table saw, planer, or workbench. A double locking system prevents slipping once it's set. The rollers themselves use seal ball bearings for smooth movement, and the V-shaped option is especially useful for pipes or dowels. When you're done, the stand folds up for easy storage, making it both sturdy and portable. Number 12. Getting accurate cuts on a bandsaw can be tricky, especially when blade drift comes into play. The Kreg KMS 7200 precision bandsaw fence is designed to solve that problem by giving you a stable, adjustable reference point. It mounts to most 14-inch bandsaws and can be fine-tuned to match the natural drift angle of your blade, so your cuts stay straight without constant correction. The fence itself is low profile, which means it won't get in the way when working with smaller stock, but it's still sturdy enough for resawing larger boards. A precision lens cursor makes it easy to read measurements clearly, helping you set up repeatable cuts with confidence. The built-in T-slots also allow you to add stops or resaw guides, expanding its versatility for different projects. For anyone who relies on a bandsaw for ripping, resawing, or joinery, this fence adds consistency and control to the process.